reality. I'm not inclined to resign to maturity. If it's alright, then you're all wrong. Why bounce around to the same damn song? You'd rather run when you can't crawl. I know, you know that I'm not telling the truth. I know, you know, they just don't have any praise. The deception, learn how to bend. Your worst inhibition's gonna psych you out in the end. I know